Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm here again with another video, and this time I thought that I would share my very special recipe of chili garlic sauce. This is how I make homemade chili garlic sauce, and everybody in my friends and my family loves it. We always have it on barbecues and homemade burgers with chicken, fried chicken, baked chicken, you name it. The list of ingredients will be at the end of the video as always, and these are just the pictures. I wanted you to refresh your eyes and get familiarized with these ingredients that I'm going to use, and the complete list of these ingredients will be at the end of the video, so don't forget to watch the video till the end. So my first step is that I add the garlic cloves in a small blender. If you want to make a big batch and double up the recipe, that is totally up to you. I'm making it in a small portion today, so these are all the ingredients for it, and it's enough for 2 families. So the garlic cloves go in the blender, and along with the garlic all the dry spices. And now I add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice to add to the tartness of this chili sauce. I give them a good stir so that they can blend together. Then I chop up the tomatoes and add them in the blender as well, and I blend them into a smooth paste. I did not use any onions in this recipe because normally onions release a lot of moisture, and the tomatoes already have quite a lot of moisture in. This is 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and after that I add 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a frying pan. I wait for the oil to smoke up a little bit. After 30 seconds I add the blended mixture in the pan. I add 2 teaspoons of crushed chilies. It's totally up to you. I like the taste and flavor of and the heat of these crushed chilies, so I always like to add them in my sauces and my food. So 2 teaspoons of crushed chilies go in. And 1 teaspoon of salt, but it is totally up to you. You can add according to your taste. You can also add 1 to 2 teaspoons of sugar to counteract with the spiciness and the saltiness of this sauce. And then I add at least 15 to 20 dried curry leaves. If you don't have curry leaves, you can add curry powder, but curry powder has more spices in it. I like using individual spices. That is why I use individual spices and then create a blend while I'm cooking. Give it a good stir and let it cook for at least 15 to 20 minutes on low heat. And after 15 minutes you can check it, have a look. If you think that it is thick enough, then you can take it off the heat, and if you think that it's still raw or uncooked, give it another 5 minutes on very low heat. And after that your chili garlic sauce is ready. And while you're watching guys, I just thought I will give you another tip. And to make a second sauce, all you need to do is take 2 to 3 tablespoons of this chili garlic sauce and mix it in Philadelphia soft cheese or any other soft cheese of your choice. And here you go, you have 2 sauces ready to wow your guests. And now that you have the 2 sauces ready, I just thought I will give you my recipe of tandoori chicken as well. These are the ingredients for the tandoori chicken recipe. The list of ingredients as usual will be at the end of the video so that you can note down. The first thing you need to do is to make little cuts or slits in the chicken legs or the chicken thighs or drumsticks, whatever you have got. After that, squeeze the lemon juice onto the chicken and give it a good mix. Now add the yogurt in it and all the dry spices, chili powder, cumin powder. Use your hands to mix it. That's what I do. If you don't like to mix it with your hands, that's totally fine. Use a fork and give it a good mix so that each and every piece of chicken gets coated with these spices, yogurt and lemon juice. And you can also add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil on the chicken. Keep it aside for at least 1 hour, and whenever you want it, you can bake them in the oven or cook them on the barbecue. I baked this chicken for 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. That is my standard, because after that I believe that the chicken starts getting drier. And now it's time to take it out of the oven. You can see how juicy and succulent it is looking. And believe me, it was so soft and full of flavor. It was just yummy. And coming back to the chili garlic sauce recipe, you can enjoy it with chicken legs, burgers, freshly made chips, kebabs, or on a slice of toast. You can make a cheese sandwich with it. The options are basically limitless. Use your imagination and enjoy. So I hope you liked today's video, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for future videos, and share it with your family and friends so that you can spread my expertise and my knowledge. Now here I'm getting a bit overconfident, ain't I? Well, there's nothing wrong in having some confidence on yourself, okay? So until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye.